Hello my crafty cuties and welcome back. Well, as you guys have seen in the title and the thumbnail, today I have a super cute project share for you guys. So I have made a Doodlebug Under the Sea flipbook. It came out super cute. I'm actually really happy with it, and I think it's one of the nicest flipbooks I've made so far. So I'm going to show you some of the other magical mermaid themed embellishments that I've made to go along with this Happy Mail as well. So drop a like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's jump into this Happy Mail. Okay, so first things first, I created this Happy Mail for BeadyBomBom Elizabeth. If you guys haven't heard of her yet, I will leave her link down below. She is the wonderful lady who created me this beautiful embellishment pack right here, along with a whole bunch of others. So I will definitely leave a link for her Happy Mail video that she sent me down in the description box below. One of the other magical items that I have bought to add into her Happy Mail is this over here, and I am so in love with it. So I really wanted to show it to you guys too, because I didn't really have a haul that I could like fit this item in or that it belonged in. So I'm just gonna show it to you guys here. It is so beautiful. So it is like a vintage bear, only it is a kitten and it has glittery eyes and a mint mermaid tail. Like, seriously, have you ever seen anything so pretty in your entire life? It is like cute and pretty and adorable all at the same time. It was only $16.99, and honestly, I am kind of totally regretting not getting one for myself, so I just may have to go back. It is so beautiful, but I did get that for her, and I think she totally deserves it, because if you guys didn't see what she sent me, it was completely epic. And as you can see, like, it just matches my aesthetic perfectly, and she is just so awesome. Okay, so that is enough for the bear cat thingy. So I will show you the embellishments first, and then we will get into the flipbook, which is the main item. So I did use the Doodlebug papers to create these rosettes. Actually, these two purple ones here are from the new Michael's Mermazing pad. It's not the hot buy. It's not a hot buy pad. It's one of the pads in the other section, and it is so beautiful. So I just used some glitter paper for the centers. And honestly, I didn't put a topper on this. Usually I do, but I really loved the look of these little mermaids. So I thought that would make a perfect paper for the background. So I did make her up that pack of embellishments. This is actually a pack that I've made before. It's actually one of the only things that I've ever been actually able to make twice, because normally I never make things twice. It's just like I find it annoying and they end up being different every time. But I loved how the first one of these turned out so much, so I did make a second, and I just love how the holographic mermaid looks with the colors, and I'm actually missing this die now, which is quite annoying. Anyway, I did make that. I also made her up a few little packets over here. So right here, we have a whole bunch of holographic stickers, and you guys, they are like gorgeous stickers. I have not done the haul video for these yet, but I will be doing it soon, and they are all so gorgeous. So when I do the video for those, I will show you guys all the different stickers that comes with and give you guys the link, but not till then. So I also packaged her up some of these gorgeous mermaid thingamajiggies. They are paper clips, but as my subscribers know, we call them thingamajiggies here on this channel, and they are mermaids, whether you can tell or not, and they are mint, and they are so pretty. So I did package her up, I think about 8 or 10 of those. I think 8. I also packaged her up some of these really cute little crabs. I'm actually going to be putting more into this bag. I want to put like maybe about 5 or 10 more at least. But I love the striped ones and I love the glittery ones. They are so cute. And then I've also cut her out these seahorses in a variety of papers and a variety of seahorses too, and they are super cute. Ooh, okay, so I thought we were done with the smaller embellishment packs, but there is actually one more to show you, and I'm so glad I didn't forget because it is actually one of my faves. So right here we have a bag of resin charms that I have made up for her. They are not all mermaid themed. I actually have a bunch of unicorn happy mail for her as well, but I will be showing you guys that in a separate video. So it's kind of like magical mermaid and unicorn combined, but this one I decorated with a mermaid theme. You can see how I layered the seaweed with the mermaid. I absolutely love that. And the absolutely crazy thing is, as you can see for my happy mail, she did the same thing with the layering of the seaweed and the coral, which is absolutely crazy because I pretty much decorated all her happy mail like that, and she did the same for mine. But you know what? They are totally different colors and different collections, and I just think it's so awesome. Great minds think alike, and it's just assuring me even more that she's gonna like what I sent her. But anyway, yeah, I just created a topper here with my topper die. I used some magical paper from the Stay Magical collection. I put this little holographic butterflies. I just hauled more of those recently, and then I used some of these glittery enamel dots. I think it came out so pretty, and I should probably take pictures and remake this pack, possibly even package my charm kits like that because they are super cute. Okay, so now we are on to the star of the show, which is my Doodlebug Under the Sea flipbook. And you guys, I am ever so happy with the way it turned out. So we will take a look at the cover first. And honestly, this is not the cover that I was planning on. It just kind of happened, and I am so happy with the way it happened. So basically, I put a few layers on here. I can kind of show you in the corner. You can see how they are layered. So all 1, 2, 3 of the layers are layered, are popped up on dimensional foam, I should say. Basically, I used a doodle pop here. I think there was a little picture of something here, but it was just perfect how her head seemed to fit around this little scalloped circle. As you can see, I layered some Doodlebug doilies, and they are from Doodlebug, so they do match all of the greens in the collection perfectly, which is so awesome. So if you see here her tail, her mermaid tail, it also matches the seaweed in the collection. It also matches the dots. The one thing I think I'm actually going to change is take out this flower center and exchange it for a bigger one. Unfortunately, these are the biggest that these glitter enamel dots do come in, so I might end up using a gemstone for that, but I really like the way it turned out. So as you can see, I just layered it with a whole bunch of different colored seaweed and coral that I cut out with my die machine. Let me know. I will try and put the link for this die set for you guys in the description box because it is such an amazing die set, you guys. I am completely in love with it, that I can make coral and seaweed whatever color I want, whenever I want. Here you can see there's more. So I also used a doodle pop right here. Once again, it's dimensional. I absolutely love these doodle pops. This was the first time I had worked with this particular set right here, and I love them so much. I've already ordered a bunch more. I did stick a seahorse up right here just because I felt it was missing something, but not more coral. It already had enough, so I put the seahorse there and it worked absolutely perfectly. So I also added this little pink sea star doodle pop to the middle, which I thought looked really cute. And then this right here is actually not part of the paper. This is a cardstock sticker as well, so it has a little bit of a different texture, which is neat. And then I think the last thing to point out is these little holographic flowers right here, which I am obsessed with. They are from Michaels. Honestly, I wish I could have got like 30 packs, but they just barely had any every time I went. But yeah, I still do have a couple packs of those left, so I added those on. I'm thinking about possibly adding a gem or another one right here, just because I feel like, I don't know how I feel about this sharp cutoff here. However, I do like the bubbles, so not sure about that. But anyway, yeah, that is the first page, and now we will open her up. So here is the first page in my magical Mermazing flip book. I absolutely love it, you guys. I've created a diamond cluster here. I put a little doodle popper. Honestly, I don't even know where to start. I did cut out another of those mermaids. Even up here, it might be hard to see for you guys, but I used the Nouveau drops, and this is actually a color that I bought for Halloween, but it turns out that it matches perfectly with all of the Doodlebug collections, not just the Halloween collection, which is one of the amazing things about Doodlebug. If you buy ribbon or embellishments to go with one collection, it's basically gonna go with pretty much all of their collections. So anyway, yeah, you can feel them. They feel so cool. It's actually given me ideas for like sensory objects and stuff like that. So anyway, yeah, I added those. Once again, I layered some coral over here. I put this little crabby guy. I cut him out in glitter. I did like an ocean wave print. This was my first time using my new bordered die, and I love it. It is the stitched hillside die, if I recall correctly. I also put this really cute octopus. Like I said, I made this cluster. And then the doodle pop, I don't think there's anything under there, but there could be. I do have stuff hidden under some of them. Now we will move over to this page. So I'm not going to be pulling everything out because I have it in like just perfectly. But anyway, this right here is like a unicorn pic, and it is so beautiful. And so far, I haven't seen anyone in the US haul these, so I'm really excited to gift that to her. I have also put in a few toppers for her. Not sure if I have any of those big toppers beside me to show you. No, I don't, but they are really gorgeous. Maybe I'll just pull one out for you guys. Okay, maybe I won't. It's getting stuck. But I cut her out some toppers in some like magical mermaid paper and some unicorn paper, and they are so cute. And I have also gifted her a whole bunch of tags that also go with the Doodlebug collection. I have put this sticker right here. This is one of the Doodlebug cardstock stickers. I layered it on a doily. I also put a whole bunch of little iridescent AB gems from Michaels and the glittery Doodlebug enamel dots. I think they look so cute. Another cluster up here, and that is it for page 1 and 2. Now we can open it up. And here is the inside, so I will give you guys a full view. I think it turned out really pretty. So over here, I am gifting her a doodle pop. I have just stuck it here with either a glue dot or a piece of foam. Up here, these are embellishments for her to take off. Each one is just stuck off with a not permanent glue dot, so she can just remove those and use those on whatever project she likes. However, there will still be nice paper here, so the book will still look pretty. I've also gifted her some washi tape that matches the collection, because one of the other things that I'm actually gifting her is the collection, so I'm super duper excited for her to receive that. I think that'll be a big surprise. Then right here we have a flip. So this is just a little flip that she can open. I'm not sure if her granddaughter is old enough to open this with her yet. But I think she will like some of the things I'm going to send. That's all I'm going to say for now. But anyway, yeah, there is that totally adorable guy. I absolutely love him. And then if she wants, she could easily pull him off and reuse him on a project. Or I know her, she's probably just going to end up keeping the book like this, but I did put all this stuff in here for her to use. So up here, I have put some more goodies for her. Over here, I have put a mermaid glitter mix. I have just filled it with like the most magical sequins, and I think it looks super pretty. So she can flip this up, and then I did glue this gorgeous piece of holographic coral underneath. This one right here is just a little sentiment that I popped up on some foam tape. It says, ocean waves, sandy toes, summer sun upon your nose. And I thought that was really cute. I put this like rainbow of the glittery enamel dots going down, and I think that looks super cute too. So this little pink whale right here is another doodle pop that I am gifting her, and she is just the cutest little thing. I am absolutely in love with her. I've actually ordered a bunch more since this because I just think they are so adorable and so perfect for Happy Mail. And then up in this package right here, or this little packet, I put a whole bunch of seaweed. So basically, when I was cutting out my seaweed for her Happy Mail, I cut out a bunch of extra, and then I basically gifted her whatever was left over as well, so she can use those for her own projects. And of course, you can flip up the little whale too, and underneath you've got a little crab, some seaweed, and some coral. I just created a little scene here. Once again, Doodlebug makes it so easy, and I think it looks super cute. Okay guys, I think that just about wraps it up for today's magical Mermazing project share. Please don't forget, if you haven't visited BeadyBomBom's channel already, her links will be down in the description box. And oh my gosh, ladies, does she do some amazing and totally inspirational projects. That's it for today, but I can't wait to see you back again. Don't forget to subscribe, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now, Miss Eddie Blue.